Good day. In this video, we'll be doing the subnetting skills challenge by subnetting the following packet tracer image. As we can see in the image, the network comprises of a variety of Class C, Class B, and Class A IP networks, as well as each network having a varying amount of hosts. For our first network, the R1 network, comprises of 4 subnetworks, each with 60 hosts. From our IP address 192.168.2.0/24, we have derived a new IP address of 192.168.2/26, changing our net mask to 255.255.255.192, giving it a magic number of 64, creating the following subnetworks. Our second network, router 2, given an IP address of 172.20.0.0/16, we are required to derive 4 subnetworks, each with 1,000 hosts. This has changed our IP address to 172.20.0.0/22, giving each subnetwork 1,024 hosts and a magic number of 4. This has derived the following networks. For the third network, router 3, again, it has been divided into 4 subnetworks, this time each with 5,000 hosts, and we've been given the IP address of 172.24.0.0/16. 5,000 hosts, it has changed the IP address to 172.24.0.0/19, giving each subnetwork 8,192 hosts, changing the magic number to 32. This again has revived the following networks. For the final network, router 0, it has been divided into 2 subnetworks of 30 hosts, giving the IP address of 192.168.4.0/24. We have to derive 2 networks, each with 30 hosts. This has now changed our network address to 192.168.4.0/27, giving it a magic number of 32 and deriving the following subnetworks. Now that our subnetworks have been calculated, let's now build out our packet tracer. Here, I already have a pre-built packet tracer to save time. I've added in my exercise a legend of all the IP addresses which will be used, as well as numbers or devices to which they will be assigned. For router 1, for the network 192.168.2.0/24, which has been converted till /26, I've added IP addresses to each end device. Same for router 2, router 3, router 0, and router 4. Here, I have joined each network using RIP. RIP has enabled us to add or to let all IP addresses come up in all routing tables within our network. If you go to router 1, I'll go to our routing table. we see that each routing address, each IP address from our separate networks have been allocated to the routing table of router 1. Same for router 4. It should be noted that because version 1 doesn't take into consideration of classless networks, version 2 should be implemented, seeing that our networks have been changed from classful to classless networks. In order to facilitate the amount of hosts needed for each network. Let's do a quick ping to ensure that our network is working successfully. If you ping the server to router 4, see it comes up as being successful. Let's ping another device in our network. Ping laptop 2 to router 1. It's also successful. Let's now ping devices within our network. For the network 172.20.0.0/22, laptop 4 and laptop 5, ping has been successful. Now, let's try pinging devices outside of our network. As you can see here, that from router 3 network to router 0's network, laptop 8 and laptop 13, this ping was successful. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.